Welcome to Mozart Music, a platform where we bring our music to Pablo speak the number let's try to get the message behind the song. We give positive feedback, we inspire others, we encourage others. Basically, we post on toxic Zion content. Bazalwane, without saying and getting into a lot of things. Athemba ukuthi ngiyaphila. As I am currently recording this, we are sitting at 482. So, good bazalwane. I discovered this church on TikTok, and ever since then, I've been like, yo, I genuinely want to react to it. So, sikhuluma ngobuhle obukhanya ministry. So, I think le boku rehearsal yabo. UNgqongqoshe asiyekeni bafethu. Sengikwazi ukufunda isiZulu. Ungungqongqoshe walesizwe esikukhonza ungqongqoshe walesizwe esikukhonzayo. That's what they're saying. Hopefully, but yeah, I don't know what to expect, yeah, but yeah, ever since I saw them on TikTok, I've been, hey, so yo, without wasting your guys' time, let's dive right into it. What? Bruh. Oh my goodness. Tell me this is just the youth and this is not everybody. Because they sound so elegant. They sound so crispy. They sound so warm. They sound so humid. They sound so alive, bruh. Nice and just cruising. You can tell ukuthi akekho forced-ayo la. Ungqongqoshe. So in English, I would say the word ngqongqoshe is close to it's like minister. Ngqongqoshe way, yeah, it's like minister. So he's the minister of the world. Ungqongqoshe walesizwe esimkhonzayo. Oh, he's the minister. Oh, the one that we praise is the minister of the world. Actually, that sounds amazing, Slow. That sounds fantastic. Anyway, guys, this is amazing. Who is it? I can't pinpoint who it is, but my sister, I love your voice. Your voice, like, ile yakujara, ile first part yakujara. It's the one. It's the one. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. I need to lock in. No. No, hear me out. Let me cook. Ne, I am not taking anything away from her. My sister, the first part there, it's one of the old school first part. I took, bruh, in the first part there, here, hear me out. You guys look shalom, hey, hear me out, bro. Listen. No. Yeah, is it back? Listen to the first part, bro. Listen, dog. Oh my God. Hear me out, bro. I'm just saying. This is the first part. Effortlessly, le combo le a chomba. Doglebe Kamvana. Yo. That's why you hear me out, bro. I'm not taking anything away from it, dog, but la combo is combo ring. We got one more thing in Tlizio Spin, in fact, 70 rand, man. Bege la paya no veluthi sauce. Ngasikhathi sauce i-alto. Papa i-base. I understand the point. Like, you understand. Hey! Why am I only discovering them now, bro? And then I was like, yo, bro, I feel like I haven't tapped in as Zion just yet. I feel like I haven't. And I am still about to. This is what I'm talking about, y'all. Oh my God. Clean, like clean. Hey guys, wait, hold on. Are you guys from Eswatini? Oh, I'm just tripping. Let me know. Let me know in the comment section, bro. Are you this is Eswatini, Buffet? Oh, I'm just tripping. And this burger is eating, growler. Oh man. Nkosini. I know where. Bruv. Now, this video was taken 2 years ago. 2 years ago. Lengi kete specifically because it's just a bit longer. It's at 2 years ago. I can only imagine how they sound now as of 2025. Mm, 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 mm. Hi! Yabona hey. And you forget stuff and you remember stuff. It's nice, but it's not nice. Bazalwane. Hi! Buhle bukhanya. I hope I'm saying it right. Sayoba mnandi. Kusayoba mnandi. Anyway, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Make sure you follow Buhle Bukhanya Lan on TikTok and on Instagram. I'll make sure that I leave the links in the description below. So, yo, in the favorite words of the stupid, I'm signing out. Adios.